fun is basketball when opponents are, every time you get the ball, especially around the basket, they're looking around us.
It's what it is. It shows how much respect I have for you, but it's fun because I get to see my teammates step up.
I saw one time you went to the ref and said, man, I need to get one down there. I mean, do you kind of feel like you're bigger than everybody, so everyone thinks it's okay to smack on Julius?
Yeah.
Was this the most fun you had at Rupp Arena? I mean, just when you guys looked up, you're coming back, down 11 points, and in 7 minutes, you guys kind of fight your way back. The crowd's into it. Did you have the most fun tonight versus the other games?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, down the stretch, we were down, but there was no doubt in my mind that we were going to win the game. The fans were just amazing, man. It got pretty loud, man. I was screaming. I don't know if my teammates heard me, but it was pretty fun.
Coach is talking about how the opponents are whacking on you. He said we're whacking, and they're always collapsing on you. Yet we're supposed to have tighter officiating where more contact is called. How do you reconcile that in your mind?
Keep fighting. Just keep playing, keep fighting.
You don't show frustration in your body language every time.
There's nothing I can do about it, so I just keep playing.